This is a pointless trick that you shouldn't do with slime that I accidentally found out while playing with it. So I already have slime here, but what I did was basically to take some Tide, poured it in here, put a little bit of water, and then I put glue. Okay? And once the glue was in, I'll show you. This is PVA and school glue. Well, whatever. There's no glue. Anyway, at the moment, it's not coming out. So then what you do is mix it until you get a slime. Okay? I don't really like the texture of the slime because it is too slimy. I made this before. I added too much water on it. So, but this is how I make slime. You can make it using borax method as well. But you need something where you can actually touch it without it going all over your hand. The other one I made, and you saw, sticks to my hand way too much. And you know it's good when it doesn't stick to the tissue. If it sticks to the tissue, good luck. I don't know how to fix it. So now I have this textured slime, and I'm going to show you a trick that I learned. This is my old phone. Hope you can see it. This is a slime. My hand is not even going to go on the phone. Okay. And there you go. A pointless trick you can do with slime. I wouldn't actually recommend you do this with the phone that you use on a daily basis. You don't want to get it to be sticky and soapy. But this is my slime. And this is a trick. Have fun.